how are all you today? Good day, class. May I ask someone to lead the prayer? Are we all present today, class? Class, can anyone tell me what we learned yesterday? Very good.
Before we proceed to our lesson, let us first have an activity. Are you all ready? Suppose all of you are heroes today. A villain set a code to hide his secret. Therefore, you need to crack the code with the correct steps. But be careful. If you don't follow the correct steps, the code won't work and the lasers will activate. Now, I need a group of superheroes to volunteer and answer what's written on the board to crack the code. Okay, come up front and crack the code. Good job! How did you come up with that answer? So smart. All of you may now be seated. Thank you.
Okay, now we have cracked the code and knew the secret of the base. But based on how they compute the answer, what do you think is our lesson for today? You're correct. Good job. Class, this morning we will have an exciting game. Are you ready? The title of our game is Arrangement. Write the letters on the line that correspond each number in the answer. You have 5 minutes to complete the game. I will group you into 3 groups. In 5 minutes, the group that will finish first will be a winner. Understand, class? Now go to your groups and be ready. You may start now. Class, time is up. Post your work in board. All group got the correct answer. Did you enjoy the game, class? Now, everyone will read the group of works being formed in the game. Very good, class.
First, let us know what MDAS is. Very good. Now, what are the operations mentioned by you? Very well said. In MDAS, what would you always do to use the proper order of operations? Very good, Soriano. Now that we all know what is the rule of operations of MDAS, let us know how to multiply and how to divide. Now, can anyone tell me what is to multiply? Exactly. Imagine you have 3 groups of 4 apples. Instead of counting each apple one by one, you can simply multiply 3, the number of groups, by 4, the number of apples in each group. This means you are adding 4 apples 3 times, which looks like this. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Instead of doing this manually, multiplication gives us a quicker way to find the answer. So can anybody tell me what is 4 times 4? Very good. Now, let us proceed to division. Can anyone tell me what is to divide? Wow, very good. To start understanding division, let's look at a simple example. Imagine you have 12 apples and you want to share them equally with 3 friends. Division helps us find out how many apples each friend gets. To solve this, you divide 12, the total apples, by 3, the number of friends. The equation looks like this, 12 divided by 3. Now, what is 24 divided by 3? Wow, absolutely right.
Now, let's proceed with addition. Can anyone here explain what addition is again? That's right. Addition is a basic mathematical operation where 2 or more numbers called addends are combined to find a total or sum. Can anybody tell me how many fruits I have when I bought 3 apples and 4 oranges? Good job! The total is 7 fruits. Next is subtraction. Does anyone know what subtraction is? Very good. Subtraction is a basic mathematical operation where you take one number away from another. It is used to find the difference between 2 numbers. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. For example, I have 10 candies and I gave 3 to John. How many candies do I have left? That's correct. I will have 7 candies left. Now that we've described the 4 operations, can someone tell me what we're going to do with this? That's right. This is a rule used to determine the order in which mathematical operations should be performed in expressions that contain more than one operation. The MDAS rule is important because it ensures that we solve problems consistently and correctly. First is multiplication, next is division, then addition, and lastly subtraction.
For your activity, solve the following problem using MDAS rule. Show your solution in different pages of paper.
For your activity, apply what you have learned and create a song about MDAS. explaining each step of the process. You can make it fun by using catchy tunes or rhythms to remember each order of the operations.
Okay, class. For your assignment, please do some advanced reading for our next lesson on page 54 to 56.